Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Celsius.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, it will be about Celsius today. This is not financial advice. We'll be going through our opinion on what Celsius could do and why it is an upcoming great place to be staking and offloading your assets in that location.
We just want to say sorry for not uploading for a week. We are now back in normal schedule, 3 videos a week. So make sure you press that red subscribe button, press the notification bell, so you'll be notified 3 times a week whenever we upload, and you'll be kept in the loop of what coins are popping right now. So right now, as you can see, only 34% of the coins are in supply out of 695,000, and only 238,000 are in circulation, which is 34%. So there is another 66% to be released. So therefore, as they're slowly released, the price will go slowly down in value, but then there's more to buy up. So therefore, in the long term, the price can go higher. So this is a good thing for the long term. So if we look at its all-time high, it was $8.02, and right now it's $6.48. So we're not too far off that $8. But let's see how much money we actually need to flow into Celsius to break that all-time high. So it'll be about we need about another 400, 500 million dollars to flow into Celsius for it to go back to the all-time high or break that all-time high. So that is quite a lot, but then again, for what Celsius does, it's not actually that much at all, considering the APYs it's providing and all of that. So, because you can make quite a good amount of money on Celsius, and it's a safe one to use as well. Yeah, let's get straight into the video.
As we can see on the Celsius website, okay, they do have a $50 referral code, and that is very, very good. We may put one in the description if we have time for that. And also, there's one thing that they also have. You can earn and borrow with Celsius. Celsius is the first and only platform that earns up to 17% yield on your cryptocurrency rewards, okay? You earn every week, and it lets you borrow cash at the lowest rate on web, iOS, or Android. And if you click on see our rate, you'll be able to see all of the rates that they currently have. As we can see, these are all the stable coins that we know as of now. And CUSD, GUSD, USDC, USD. Personally, if I had to go with, I would go with USD. One reason is they do have a high APY, and the other reason is that you are getting a more of a stable coin, and USDC is backed by the dollar. So, it is a legit cryptocurrency that you can use for this passive income. So, you've also got the gold tokens, as you can see here. Instead of having physical gold, you can have digital gold. You can also store cryptocurrency, which gives you high APY instead of the stable coins. Reason being is that it fluctuates up and down, therefore meaning that you can earn 13%, 70%, 11%, which is crazy, and it's not really been seen before on many cryptocurrencies. Other than Yield app, which we did make a video about that a long time ago.
As an average person, I'd assume most adults would have $1,500 to their name. So if you had $1,500, and let's say you put it in USDC and you staked it, well, not staked it, you'd be earning with Celsius for 5 years, that would be locked. You'd earn $837 in total. So it's not too bad, but then again, let's compare it to a bank. If you just held $1,500 in a bank, which is the same thing, it's stable. In fact, it'd be depreciating. So yeah, but 1,500 in a bank for 0.01% a year compared to 8.88% a year. This is definitely a lot better to be using, and this is amazing APY. So yeah.
Yep, so this is something that gives you passive income from literally doing nothing. You can just store your stable coin, and it is legit. It is something that is classed as a safe. But if you want something more safer, I'll definitely recommend something like Coinbase. Celsius is still very good, but it's still at its early stages, and no one really knows what could potentially happen next. It could, be one of them rug pulls, but I highly doubt it because it has been audited, and it is something that is very safe. And there's a lot of people that have stored millions upon billions on Celsius, and you can tell by the market cap too.
And another reason it seems safe anyway. As you see all the other type of coins like this, they are offering insane APYs, like hundreds of percent, whereas these are actually reasonable APYs, make sense, and could actually work. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have, please make sure you press subscribe and also like the video, and also tap that notification bell, and you'll be notified every time we upload a video, which is 3 times a week. So yeah, thank you. Have a good day.